So KEXMO, they sent me a beautiful knife that I wanted to show to you guys. I like to keep things in the boxes because it keeps them nice long term, but what we're looking at here is there's a guide to using it. I don't really need that. What we really want is the knife. So we have this beautiful mahogany style grip that's on there. We have a quick open, which is super nice, plus your standard lever to put on your safety. And we also have the window breaker that's on the back here. This is a really nice sturdy clip, which is so important with knives I can't even tell you, because getting a worn out clip is the worst. So if you want a nice knife that fits in your hand really nice and well, that is very nicely weighted. I mean, if we look at that, if we look at the weighting there, very, very well balanced. And overall, just a really good looking knife for gifts, for yourself, for camping, hiking, whatever you're doing, then this one from KEXMO, I mean, this is awesome.